Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't seen my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So anyways, definitely I had to say it on all three of my videos today because honestly it was another tremendous day for trend traders. If you take it down to like the 30-minute time frame, you can see this a little bit better. But man, look at this. One down, one, two, three up, one down, one, two, three. Eventually engulfing move to the upside. Nice little break of structure. Man, what a beautiful, beautiful trend trade that was on gold today. So, until the trend is proven to be over on the higher time frames, which it definitely has not been proven to be over yet, I'm definitely still looking for longs. I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last wave. You know, if we get a good Fibonacci bounce, we get a good engulfing move to the upside. I'd like to see 3 waves, maybe something like this. I will definitely go long again, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.